Imagine you are at a restaurant. You are starving. The waiter takes your order. But now comes the question. Does the kitchen cook your dish alongside others, or does it juggle tasks one after another so everyone feels that things are moving? That is the story of parallelism versus concurrency. We all want faster programs, faster websites, faster apps. That is why developers ask themselves, should I use concurrency or should I use parallelism? They sound similar, but they're not twins. They're like cousins with totally different personalities. But here's the problem. Most explanations toss around technical terms, threads, cores, asynchronous calls, and before you know it, you're drowning into the terminologies. You want clarity, but instead you get chaos. In this video, let's talk about these two concepts in a simpler way. Let's flip it. Picture this. Concurrency is a single chef cooking multiple dishes. He chops vegetables for one dish, but when the water is boiling, he stirs another pot. He's juggling. Nothing truly happens at the same time, yet everything feels like it's progressing. Parallelism, though, is different. That is when the restaurant has many chefs. Each one focuses on one dish. Therefore, real work is happening at the same time, across multiple hands, across multiple stoves. But wait, if the concurrency feels like multitasking, why bother with parallelism? The reason is that juggling has limits. One chef cannot dice, fry, stir, and plate all at once forever. He burns out. The food slows down. And if your restaurant is slammed on a Friday night, you are in trouble. That is where the parallelism shines. Multiple chefs share the loads. Dishes finish faster because they are truly cooked simultaneously. But parallelism is not free. It demands more stoves, more space, and more coordination. Otherwise, chefs bump elbows, trip over each other, and the kitchen becomes chaos. So what does this mean for programming? Concurrency is about structure, managing lots of tasks, so none of them freeze the system. Parallelism is about speed, literally doing all the things at the same time to finish it faster. Concurrency says, let's make a progress, even if it's piece by piece. Parallelism says, however, let's finish multiple things together right now. Both matter, both solve different problems, but once you see the difference, you can finally pick the right tool for your program and your kitchen. Next time someone asks, is this concurrency or parallelism? Just think about this simple concept. One chef juggling dishes versus many chefs cooking at the same time. That's clear, simple, and memorable. So which one would you choose when you're starving? See you in the next one.